5 Summer Slimming Salad Recipes. What is the best way to lose weight in summer? Let's share with you some summer slimming salad recipes. 1. Tomato Cucumber Salad. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals that help us improve our metabolism and are very helpful to our health. Cucumber can effectively reduce blood fat and cholesterol. The salad made by these two vegetables has a very powerful slimming effect. Slice the cucumber and tomato into a container, then pour a little salad dressing, or use lemon juice or yogurt instead. 2. Apple Yogurt Salad. First wash the apples to the core, then cut them into small pieces and put them in a container. Then choose a bottle of low-fat yogurt and evenly spread on the apple pieces. This is a very low-calorie salad that can be sprinkled properly. A small amount of nuts you like to eat. 3. Papaya Salad. Papaya's weight loss breast enhancement is very powerful, so many people like to use papaya to make a variety of delicious low-fat salads. You need to prepare a papaya, a small amount of honey and lemon juice, and some cockroaches. First peel the papaya, then cut into thin filaments, then immerse them in lemonade for a few minutes. Lemon is also a kind of fat-reducing sacred product. Then add some honey to stir and season. Finally, put the cockroaches into it. The papaya salad is very helpful for detoxification. 4. Fruit and Vegetable Yogurt Salad. Yogurt can help us to promote the smoothness of the gastrointestinal tract, discharge toxins, effectively remove belly fat, and mix it with other nutritious fruits such as bananas and kiwi fruit in yogurt to make the taste very good. Fruit Yogurt Salad. 5. Tuna Salad. We can prepare some mushrooms, asparagus and small tomatoes as a side dish. First, wash and cut these kinds of vegetables, then put them together in hot water. Then put them in canned tuna and sprinkle with a little salad dressing. Preparing some lettuce and eating the tuna salad with lettuce leaves is awesome. Source: Fitness Guide.